Hello everyone, hope you guys doing good. Today I'm going to show you how to make lip scrub at home. All we need a tablespoon brown sugar or white sugar, honey, olive oil. And I'm going to cleanse my lips first. I use vitamin C oil cleanser for my lips. Yummy. You can use once a week, and also you can use every day. I use every day because I apply makeup like lipstick, so I use normally every morning. Okay, I wash my lips with warm water, and if you scrub every day, you will maintain healthy, smooth lips. Also, don't use cracked or bleeding lips, damaged lips. You can scrub, and after finish, if you have lip balm or Vaseline petroleum gel, Vaseline, you can apply. I'm gonna apply my Vaseline because I really like this one. And apply your Vaseline on your lips and massage few minutes.